Once upon a time in the quaint town of Willowbrook, there lived a curious little girl named Luna and her loyal companion, Sparky the talking squirrel. Luna and Sparky were the best of friends, and they shared a special bond that led them on extraordinary adventures. One sunny morning, as Luna was playing in her backyard, she stumbled upon an old, dusty book hidden beneath a pile of leaves. With excitement sparkling in her eyes, Luna dusted off the cover and opened it to reveal intricate illustrations and mysterious writings. "It's a magic book!" Luna exclaimed, her heart racing with anticipation. As Luna flipped through the pages, she discovered that the book contained spells to unlock the secrets of the enchanted forest that lay beyond Willowbrook. Without hesitation, Luna and Sparky embarked on a thrilling journey to uncover the wonders hidden within. Their first stop was the Whispering Woods, where trees whispered ancient tales and creatures danced in the moonlight. With the help of the book's spells, Luna and Sparky communicated with the animals and learned valuable lessons about friendship and bravery. Next, they ventured into the crystal caves, where shimmering crystals illuminated the underground tunnels. Guided by the wisdom of the book, Luna and Sparky solved puzzles and riddles, unlocking the secrets of the caves and uncovering hidden treasures along the way. But their greatest challenge awaited them in the heart of the Enchanted Valley, where an evil sorcerer threatened to cast a spell of darkness over the land. Armed with courage and determination, Luna and Sparky faced the sorcerer in a battle of magic and wits. With the power of friendship and the magic of the book, Luna and Sparky emerged victorious, banishing the darkness and restoring peace to the Enchanted Valley. As they returned home to Willowbrook, Luna knew that their adventures were far from over, and she couldn't wait to see what magical wonders awaited them next. And so, the tale of Luna and Sparky's magical adventure spread far and wide, inspiring children everywhere to believe in the power of friendship, courage, and the magic that lies within each and every one of us.